Hi, I'm Pam. Welcome to my kitchen. If the thought of making your own candy seems overwhelming, then this is the perfect recipe for you. Making Rocky Road clusters is quick and simple. To make our Rocky Road clusters, we're going to need milk chocolate chips, unsweetened chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate chips, peanuts, coconut, and mini marshmallows. If you prefer more of a semi-sweet chocolate, then just toss out the milk chocolate chips and use semi-sweet. If milk chocolate's more your style, get rid of the semi-sweet and use all milk chocolate. Start by lining 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. A large microwave-safe bowl or a large glass measuring cup.
Add the unsweetened chocolate broken into pieces. Next comes the semi-sweet chocolate chips, followed by those delicious milk chocolate chips. Pop the chocolate in the microwave for 1 minute at 50% power. Remove from the microwave and stir. Repeat the process until the chocolate is 90% melted. Once 90% melted, continue stirring until it's smooth and creamy. Let the chocolate stand for 1 minute. Then add in the peanuts and stir. Next comes the sweet puffy marshmallows and stir those in. Coat the marshmallows and peanuts in creamy chocolate.
Next, we'll drop 2 tablespoons of the chocolate onto the parchment-lined cookie sheet, or you could use a number 30 scoop.
Top with coconut or more mini marshmallows. Let harden for 2 to 3 hours at room temperature, and then enjoy these tasty chocolate treats. And remember to check out In Pam's Kitchen on Instagram.